Hello there, gamers. Yeah, I have no idea how to actually put paper in this. I realized. Fun fact. Fun fact. I don't know how to put paper in it. This is my fine china. This is my fine china of a plushie obsessed autist. It's gotta be like it slots in here or something, right? How do we do this? One sheet at a time. All right, I'm learning. Okay, like this? There's like a lever on the side. I don't know what that does. What is all this shit? There are knobs, and they are turning, but what does that mean? Do I slot this in like this? I'm trying. And nothing's happening. Chat, you use the roll to slide down the page. From the back. Farther back? Oh! Oh my god! Oh, it got stuck. Oh my god, it's working. And now what do I do? Raise the bar up front. Oh, put the paper behind the silver bar? Oh, fuck. Wait, what? What? Get it all the way through and start over. Pull it out and start over. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I put it in the back part, and then I start rolling it, and then I make sure that it goes underneath. Oh, I can lift this! This lifts! Oh my god. Okay, and then what? Put a finger on the key. I can just start typing now? What do I do now? Which one is the shift key? How do you survive? I don't know, man. How do you exist while being so fucking old as to having written with a typewriter, you goddamn boomer? How about that? You have ink? Yeah, I think so. This is ink ribbon in here, right? I said thank you. Please tell me you remember the ribbon at least. It should have it already in there, I think. Ribbon looks very loose. Well, how do I type? What happens if I touch it? Good cat, thank you. Bro, your essay is due in 30 minutes. Bruh. Industrial society and its consequences. It's not typing anything, chat. Chat, it's not typing anything. I thought this was instinctive for women. Excuse me? Private can, thank you. Have you pressed the key all the way down? Yes! Push it to the right. Push what to the right? Oh. Oh, that scared me. Thought my fingers were about to come off. Stop trying to emergency call! My iPhone keeps trying to make emergency calls! This is why I don't use iPhone. Industrial. Oh! Society. Oh, it's moving! And it's... What are these buttons? Why does my typewriter have a shift stick? Huh? Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god, something just broke off of it. I don't know if that matters. Ow! Fuck, I pinched my finger. Oh, hopefully that didn't belong on there. Don't mind my use of bottle opener. Install Grammarly on it. Cleo's old. She might know how to... Hold on. I'm gonna DM Cleo. Cleo, you're old as... shit. How do you use a typewriter? Holy, just fucking Google it. How about you fucking Google it and then you fucking get back to me, huh? How about that? Cleo's not getting back to me. Oh, Cleo said, okay. Ah, finally, the Crypt Keeper speaks. Genuinely haven't you? Oh my god. She hasn't used one in a really long time, Chad. Ah, that's Kohai. Chad, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Ah. What are you guys' thoughts? I guess I roll it. What the fuck? Chat, what the fuck am I doing with my life? Chat, change anything? Oh. I don't know, but I think I damaged it by pulling on it this way because now it's like overlapping with the H on here. Push it back. I don't know if I can push it back. Truly retarded. That needs to be like that. And then that goes like this. And then this goes like that. And then we lock that. What? Huh? Wait. Oh my god. It's working! It's working! I think the ink ribbon is dry. But we got some letters. We got some letters, boys. That being said, no. Hold on. We're doing this the really old-fashioned way because I give up on the typewriter. No. Here. Ah, it's coffee from a straw. 1 mil. 1 mil. Dinero. 1 mil. Sub. All right. Here's my New Year's resolutions. Buy Phase coffee. I give up. I give up on the typewriter. When I gave up on the typewriter, a sense of relief washed over me.
Everybody, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Low Effort Clips. That's right, Low Effort Clips, right here on YouTube.com. Yeah, and hit the notification bell. Yeah.